So good day, everyone. Welcome back to today's class where we're going to be looking at study session 9 titled Networking and Communication. So the study outcome for this course includes to understand how networks work, identify different network protocols and their functions, understand the importance of network security. So as a way of introduction, networking and communication is a field of computer science and engineering, that deals with the exchange of information between computing devices, either directly or through a network. So this field tends to combine aspects of telecommunications, computer science, information technology, and electrical engineering to develop hardware, software, protocols, and standards to enable efficient and secure communication between devices. Basis of network infrastructures. So network infrastructure is the hardware, software and services used to create and maintain a computer network. It includes devices like routers, switches, servers, cables, protocols, security measures, and network management tools. Network devices include routers, switches, hubs, and access points, while cables connect devices like Ethernet, fiber optic, and cable and Corsair cables. Protocols tend to govern data transmission, while security measures protect against unauthorized access, theft, and even data breaches. So network management involves monitoring, configuring, and optimizing the network using tools like network monitoring software and performance analysis. Examples of network infrastructure components include routers for small businesses, enterprise level organizations, and wireless networks. Common network protocols and their function. Network protocols are sets of rules and standards that define how data is transmitted and received over a network. So common protocols include Transmission Control Protocol, TCP, Internet Protocol, IP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP, File Transfer Protocol, FTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, SMTP, Domain Name System, DNS, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and then the Simple Network Management Protocol. TCP provides reliable data transfer, while IP provides addressing and routing information. The HTTP transfers data between clients and servers, while the FTP transfers files between computers, and then the SMTP sends and receives email messages. The domain name system translates domain names into IP addresses, while the dynamic host configuration protocol, DHCP, tend to assign IP addresses and other network configuration protocols. Network configuration parameters. And then the SNMP manages and monitors network devices. Importance of network security and the different types of security threats. So network security is crucial for maintaining data confidentiality, integrity, and availability, thereby preventing data theft, preventing data loss, enhancing productivity, maintaining brand reputation, and complying with regulations. It includes measures like encryption, access controls, data backups, disaster recovery plans. So ensuring a secure network not only protects sensitive information but also detailed compliance with legal and financial consequences. So common security threats include malware, phishing, distributed denial of service, attacks, insider threats, multiple input, multiple output attacks, and password attacks. So malware tend to infect computer or networks, thereby causing damage, theft, or unauthorized access. So phishing trick users into providing sensitive information. So the DDoS attacks tend to overwhelm networks, while the insider threats steal data or interrupt the network. And then for the MIMO attacks, it tend to intercept the network traffic, and the password password attack that tend to compromise the user's credentials, and as well as the unauthorized access when the rightful owner is not the main authorized person to have access or to gain access into a network. So basics of wireless networking and its advantages and also disadvantages. So wireless networking tend to enable devices to connect to the network without the use of cables or wires, using usually radio waves or infrared signals, among others. So it includes devices like access points, routers, switches, and cards. So common standards include the wireless fidelity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Zigbee. So security is achieved using encryption and authentication protocols like the Wi-Fi protected access tool, and then the extensible authentication protocol. So network range, depends on signal strength, obstacles, and device power. Advantages of wireless networking. So wireless networking offers convenience, mobility, scalability, cost effectiveness, and increased productivity due to its ability to connect from anywhere within range, and also to eliminate the need for expensive cabling. It also enables users to work from anywhere within the network range. What disadvantages of wireless networking? Wireless networks are susceptible to security threats like unauthorized access, interference, range limitations, and performance issues like latency and dropped connections, making them less suitable for large or wide area networks. So summary of study session 9, we're able to establish that networking and communication are crucial in computer science and telecommunications, thereby enabling data sharing between devices using various protocols. So they provide a solid foundation for IT and telecommunications careers. So self-assessment questions for study session 9. SAQ 9.1. In the context of network infrastructure, switches and hubs can be regarded as network cables, true or false. SAQ 9.2. Dash is a protocol used to automatically assign IP addresses and other network configuration parameters to devices on a network. SAQ 9.3. Why network security is considered important in networking. SAQ 9.4. Identify and explain briefly 3 disadvantages of wireless networking. SAQ 9.5. Dash is the protocol used for sending and receiving email messages.